Welcome back to Trend Cars, the place where the road meets the extraordinary. Today we are diving into something that sounds almost unbelievable. Imagine the speed, luxury, and design perfection of Ferrari, combined with the comfort, technology, and bold lifestyle of a motorhome. That dream has now taken form in the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a machine that is turning the world of luxury travel upside down. This is not just a vehicle. This is a revolution on wheels. When you hear the name Ferrari, you think about speed, iconic design, and pure Italian craftsmanship. For decades, Ferrari has defined supercar culture. But what happens when Ferrari decides to create something totally different? Something bigger, more versatile, and designed not just for the track or the city but for the open highways, the countryside, and even cross-continent journeys. The answer is breathtaking. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome combines the DNA of a supercar with the soul of a five-star hotel on wheels. At first glance, the Ferrari Motorhome looks unlike anything else on the road. Its exterior is aggressive, aerodynamic, and sculpted with Ferrari's unmistakable lines. Imagine a motorhome that doesn't look like a bulky box, but instead resembles a stretched, futuristic hypercar, with sleek LED headlights, carbon fiber accents, and an aerodynamic profile that seems to cut through the air. The iconic prancing horse badge rests proudly at the front, but this time it's on a vehicle taller and longer than anything Ferrari has ever built. The bold red paint finish, signature curves, and subtle golden trims make it instantly recognizable. But this isn't just about looks. Every element of its design is functional. The Ferrari Motorhome's body has been engineered using lightweight carbon composites and aluminum, reducing unnecessary bulk and ensuring it delivers performance far beyond traditional RVs. Step inside, and the experience goes from impressive to jaw-dropping. The interior feels like stepping into a private jet fused with an Italian villa. Ferrari has partnered with some of the finest interior designers in Italy to craft a space that blends sportiness with ultimate luxury. The cockpit feels like you're in a Ferrari supercar, with a steering wheel inspired by the SF90 Stradale, digital driver displays, and racing-inspired seats that are fully adjustable and wrapped in premium leather. Every detail screams Ferrari, from the red stitching on the dashboard to the brushed aluminum pedals. But the magic unfolds when you walk towards the living space. Here, Ferrari has gone all out. The lounge area features hand-stitched Italian leather sofas, a smart glass roof that tints automatically to control light, and a massive OLED panel that doubles as both an entertainment system and a smart hub for controlling the motorhome's functions. With a voice command or a touch, you can adjust the lighting, climate, sound system, or even order services directly through Ferrari's connected lifestyle app. The kitchen is unlike anything you'd expect in a vehicle. It features ultra-modern appliances designed with Ferrari styling, from induction cooktops with carbon fiber finishes to refrigerated wine storage, because Ferrari knows its customers love their fine tastes. The cabinets are crafted from lightweight wood composites with Italian marble-style finishes. It's not just a kitchen, it's a gourmet space on wheels. Moving further inside, the master bedroom is designed as a sanctuary. It features a queen-size bed with memory foam that adapts to posture, integrated mood lighting, and an entire wall that opens up electronically to reveal a panoramic view of your surroundings. Imagine parking your Ferrari motorhome beside the ocean and falling asleep while the sound of waves echoes through the open air, all while surrounded by Ferrari luxury. The bathroom pushes the limits of what's possible in a motorhome. It comes with a rainfall shower system, heated flooring, and materials that rival five-star hotel suites. Ferrari has also introduced smart water recycling technology to make the motorhome eco-friendly without compromising comfort. Now, let's talk about performance, because this is Ferrari. Unlike traditional motorhomes that focus only on space and comfort, Ferrari has infused this machine with genuine performance DNA. Under the hood, or rather, beneath its chassis, the Ferrari Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V12 engine combined with electric motors. Together, this powertrain produces over 1,200 horsepower, making it the fastest motorhome ever built. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, a top speed over 200 kilometers per hour, and handling dynamics you'd expect from a Ferrari hypercar. To keep such a massive vehicle stable, Ferrari has engineered an advanced suspension system that automatically adapts to the road surface. Whether you're gliding down a smooth Italian highway or navigating winding mountain roads, the motorhome feels planted, responsive, and surprisingly agile. Ferrari has even integrated rear-wheel steering to make parking and maneuvering easier, a feature rarely seen in this segment. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. It comes loaded with Ferrari's advanced AI driving assistant, which not only helps with navigation and safety but also learns your preferences over time. It suggests routes, predicts maintenance needs, and even adapts cabin settings based on your mood. The motorhome also features Level 4 autonomous driving, meaning on highways it can handle most of the journey on its own while you relax. Connectivity is seamless, with 6G compatibility, holographic displays for meetings or entertainment, and satellite internet that ensures you're always connected no matter where you travel. Ferrari wants this motorhome to be a true mobile lifestyle hub, not just a vehicle. Another stunning innovation is the garage. Yes, the Ferrari motorhome comes with a built-in hydraulic garage at the rear, designed to carry a Ferrari sports car like the SF90 or the upcoming EV models. Imagine arriving at your destination, stepping out of your luxurious motorhome, and driving away in your Ferrari supercar. This two-in-one lifestyle approach is pure Ferrari brilliance. Of course, such exclusivity comes at a price. The 2026 Ferrari motorhome is expected to cost upwards of $5 million, making it one of the most expensive recreational vehicles ever created. But for Ferrari's elite clientele, price isn't the point. It's about status, innovation, and the unmatched experience of combining Ferrari performance with five-star living. Critics may wonder, does the world really need a Ferrari motorhome? The answer lies in Ferrari's vision. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement of how luxury, performance, and lifestyle can merge in the future. It represents freedom without compromise, speed without losing comfort, and the thrill of Ferrari in every mile of your journey. The 2026 Ferrari motorhome is more than transportation. It's a moving masterpiece, a supercar you can live in, and a glimpse into how Ferrari sees the future of luxury travel. For those who can afford it, it's not just a purchase, it's an entry into a whole new world. So, what do you think? Is the Ferrari motorhome a brilliant idea or a wild experiment? Would you choose to travel the world in a Ferrari that doubles as a home, or do you think supercars and motorhomes should remain separate? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into Ferrari's most unexpected creation, don't forget to subscribe to Trend Cars for more deep dives into the vehicles that shape the future. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep driving bold, and remember, on this channel, the road never ends. Lifestyle of a motorhome. That dream has now taken form in the 2026 Ferrari motorhome, a machine that is turning the world of luxury travel upside down. This is not just a vehicle. This is a revolution on wheels. When you hear the name Ferrari, you think about speed, iconic design, and pure Italian craftsmanship. For decades,